Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we have here the Newjeans OMG Photo Lomo card team. And this one are super great. Like I have been really liking the lasered photo K-pop Lomo card photo cards. Like I really like it. It's really nice. It just gives the photos a extra boost, and even without the laser I think it still would be great. The first one that I got for the K-pop Lomo photo cards are actually not lasered ones, but once you experience the one that has a lasered photo Lomo cards, like it's a different vibe. Thank you for watching everyone. Follow for more.